Imagine cruising through the mountains or pulling up to a private beach in a vehicle that looks like it belongs in a luxury car showroom. That's the 2026 Cadillac Motorhome, a fusion of opulence, innovation, and unmistakable American prestige. This isn't just an RV, it's a mobile 5-star suite wrapped in bold, futuristic design. From the outside, the 2026 Cadillac Motorhome commands attention. Its sleek aerodynamic body features Cadillac's signature vertical LED lighting, bold crystal grille, and an all-electric drivetrain that hums in silence but moves with authority. Finished in deep pearl white with gold accent trims, it looks more like a concept vehicle than something you'd expect at a campsite. But it's real, and it's spectacular. Under the hood, or rather, beneath the floor, lies a tri-motor electric system delivering 1,000 horsepower and instant torque to all 4 wheels. This powerhouse can glide from 0 to 60 in just under 4 seconds, an insane stat for a vehicle of this size. With a range of over 700 miles on a single charge, supported by solar-enhanced roof panels and an intelligent energy recapture system, this motorhome is built to roam without limits. Step inside and everything changes again. You're welcomed by a smart glass sliding door that opens to reveal a lounge more luxurious than most penthouses. Plush leather recliners with massage and heat functions, a 90-inch OLED cinema screen, and walnut paneling throughout set the tone. A mood-adaptive lighting system and panoramic skylight ensure that no matter where you park, you're surrounded by elegance and comfort. The kitchen is minimalist yet top of the line, equipped with an induction island, integrated smart fridge, convection oven, and even a wine dispenser with temperature control. Everything is voice-activated and seamlessly built into the cabinetry. You'll find no handles, no clutter, just clean lines and flawless function. When it's time to rest, the Cadillac RV transforms into a peaceful oasis. The master bedroom features a floating king-size bed with air suspension support, blackout smart glass walls, and ambient scent infusion. The bathroom rivals any luxury hotel, offering a rainfall shower, heated marble floors, and a self-cleaning toilet with spa-grade bidet functions. What truly sets this RV apart is its attention to detail and lifestyle features. There's a built-in valet closet system that steams and refreshes clothes while you drive. A hidden elevator platform drops down to reveal an outdoor lounge with a fire pit and pop-up sound system. It even has a drone launch pad for capturing aerial footage of your travels. And now, let's talk price. The 2026 Cadillac Motorhome starts at $950,000, but that's just the base. With full customization, like the Platinum Luxe interior package or the optional onboard AI concierge service, you're easily looking at a $1.2 million investment. But for those who demand sophistication, tech, and freedom all in one, it's worth every penny. So, would you take the wheel of this rolling mansion? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more next-gen vehicle deep dives.